Coming to safety department, Yamaha R15 V3 comes equipped with dual channel ABS.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Subham Yamaha and you are watching one only Automania.
आज जो बाइक की रिव्यू हम लोग करने वाले हैं, that bike doesn't need any kind of introduction. It's one and only the mighty Yamaha R15. So guys, this is the Bs6 variant of the Yamaha R15. The metallic red looks absolutely magnificent in this avatar. The Yamaha R15 since its inception in 2008 has been a world-class bike. This is a bike that helped Yamaha rise back from the ashes to regain its past glory. This bike provided an entry-level super sport feeling for the guys who wanted to experience a super bike kind of feeling in a budget-oriented way, and also in a bike which can provide a controllable power. The bike was first launched in 2008. After that, Yamaha decided to upgrade it with a V2. The V2, V1 were instant success, but still there were some niggles. Then came the V3, the bike which made the youngster mad and craving for this bike. Just look at the model. Just look how beautiful it is. The way it is standing, like it's calling you. Come, let's go for a ride. Although there is no much difference from the Bs6 variant, the metallic red color is almost exactly same as the last model, except the color change and nothing mechanically has changed in this bike. There has been a revised work in the graphics department, and boy oh boy, it looks magnificent. The aerodynamic has proved its worthy in the past. The aerodynamic shape helps the rider to tuck behind the windscreen and hit the top speed on highways. But if you are a cornering junk and you decide to put your knees down, don't worry guys, this bike won't disappoint you. The Delta box frame along with the aluminum swing arm and the rear monoshock helps the rider with the ergonomic, helping the rider to put the knee down and hit the apex every time you decide to do so. The all-new LED headlamps in the V3 is magnificent in its own. The R1 inspired tail section looks absolutely beautiful and also provides a purpose to provide the best aerodynamic shape possible for the bike. Now comes the power plant. Yamaha has developed a gem of an engine with 155cc and a sleeper clutch.
This liquid-cooled 4-stroke single overhead cam 4-valve engine with 155cc of displacement produces around 18.6 PS of max power at 10,000 RPM, while the max torque is around 14.1 Nm at 8,500 RPM, mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a sleeper clutch. The bore lies around 58 mm and the stroke 58.7 mm with a compression ratio of 11.6:1, and the tank capacity is around 11 liters.
The front disc by Brake provides a great bite and progressive braking feeling when you decide to push the brake real hard. The rear brakes also does come with rear ABS, and when you decide to brake real hard in the rear section, trust me guys, the ABS won't be too much intrusive and would help you for a smooth and a flawless effective braking. VVA or the variable valve actuation means it has two cam profiles. When the bike is running between 1000 to 7000 rpm, the cam with the lower lift is activated, and when you decide to push the bike past 7000 rpm, the other cam with the higher lobe gets into action, providing you a seamless flow of power and torque throughout the rev band.
We also get a slipper clutch that helps in flawless downshifting without the risk of rear wheel locking up. It also provides a lighter clutch pull that helps your hands ease up a bit in stop-go traffic.
The liquid cooling by Yamaha provides absolutely no heat when you are in a tighty traffic condition, and even these grills and these fins helps the engine to radiate heat and deflect the heat away from the rider's leg. Great job done by Yamaha. Kudos to you guys. Then comes the mileage. कितना देती है? हम इंडियन से, सो इसका तो बात करना ही पड़ेगा. Guys, this bike will be returning around 35 to 40 kmpl to a liter, providing you a balance between power and mileage. Comes with aggressive clip-on handlebars, and the higher set foot pegs provides a very sporty feeling but not a very comfortable ride. If you are a rider who is looking for a comfort ride, I might think you won't find this bike as much as comfortable to your liking. But if you are a guy who loves to hit the top speed quite often and hit the racetrack, trust me guys, this is the machine for you. Coming to safety department, Yamaha R15 V3 comes equipped with dual channel ABS. The side indicator also does adds to the safety feature, enhancing the bike safety and overall experience of the bike.
Guys, I sincerely thank Subham Yamaha Durgapur for giving me this wonderful opportunity to have a first look video on the Yamaha R15 Bs6 Metallic Red Edition. So let's see what they have on offer.
The headlight, as I have said before, looks absolutely beautiful, but when it comes to functionality, Yamaha could have done better with the headlights, and I do feel you need extra pair of auxiliary fog lamps for a better view when you're out on the highway. So the competition for this bike, I feel RC200 is the only bike that can come close to fight this bike right now in the Indian market. But that bike is much more powerful than this. But guys, this bike is affordable. RC200 is quite a bit premium and costlier than this bike. So I feel this R15 V3 is the perfect match between the sporty riding and also by the looks and also in a budget friendly manner. Yamaha R15 V3 Metallic Red Edition comes at a premium of 1.52 lakhs ex-showroom Durgapur. If you want to know the on-road pricing or details of any other Yamaha bikes, please feel free to contact Subham Motors, and the details is given in the description down below. It's time to end the video guys. और ये R15 Metallic Red कैसा लगा आपको, नीचे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. क्या आप R15 लेने की प्लान कर रहे हो? And how do you like V3? Do you feel V2 is better than the V3 or the V3 still rules the road? ये सब मैं जानना चाहूँगा आप लोगों से। सो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि कौन सा बाइक आपका फेवरेट है एंड व्हाट डू थिंक अबाउट द V3 एंड दिस मेटालिक रेड कलर। पर्सनली स्पीकिंग, आई लाइक दिस कलर. This is kind of different, vibrant and provides a great road presence. And whenever you decide to stop in a traffic light, trust me guys, you will be the only showstopper over there.
Guys, the weather god has opened up. It is starting to rain and I'm sorry, I don't think I could do the ride review today, but next time when I come here I would definitely do the ride review and tell you how this bike feels on the road. So till then, stay tuned to Automania.
तो गाइस, कैसा लगा आज का वीडियो? मज़ा आया? तो अगर आपको R15 V3 मेटालिक रेड वर्जन का रिव्यू अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। और इफ़ एनीबॉडी इज इंटरेस्टेड फॉर राइड रिव्यू तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताना। वैसे भी आज बारिश हो रहा है तो इसलिए मैं राइड रिव्यू नहीं कर पाया, बट इन फ्यूचर में वो वीडियो इस चैनल पे ज़रूर आएगा। तो दैट्स इट गाइस फॉर टुडे। तो अगर आपको ऐसा ही ऑटोमोटिव कंटेंट चाहिए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और हाँ, आपके दोस्तों के साथ इस चैनल को शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। तो ऑन दैट नोट, इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय। सो जैसे कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, वेयर योर हेलमेट व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग, वेयर योर सीट बेल्ट व्हाइल ड्राइविंग एंड नेवर एवर ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव। दिस इज प्रोशुन मैना जी एंड यू आर वॉचिंग ऑटोमेनिया। गुड बाय।